Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making BBQ chicken. I like to thoroughly clean my chicken before I cook it. So I've already added salt. Now I'm just going to add some apple cider vinegar to help kill bacteria. Even though it looks like I've rinsed the salt and vinegar away, I really haven't. The taste still lingers. So I've already cleaned my chicken. I'm getting ready to add my seasonings. This is garlic powder, Cajun Seasoning, and onion powder. Let's go ahead and turn these leg quarters over so that we can season the other side. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It's a very simple recipe, so quick and easy. Go ahead and add a generous amount of BBQ sauce on your chicken. I think that'll be enough. And just rub it in. Just rub it in. Just get it all under the skin. Don't be afraid of it. Some people might want this to marinate for a little while, but I don't feel it needs to be marinated. Okay, so now we're just going to take the remainder barbecue sauce and just put it on like so. Let's get all of that juiciness. As always, I want to thank you guys for coming to hang out with me today. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to turn on the notification button and subscribe.